If you are still worried about the best free AI content humanizer to use, in this video, I am going to share with you 4 AI free content humanizer that will do a perfect job for you. You do not need to worry yourself to humanize your tests manually one after another. That will take you a lot of time. This video is all you will need. And number 4 in the list, you don't even need to sign up. You only need to log in your test and it will humanize it for you. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. Turning on to my computer, the very first thing we are going to do is to go to ChatGPT. Now from ChatGPT, we are going to ask it to write an essay for you. So we'll say, write an essay on cross-pollination. So this is just a kind of free text. So ChatGPT will go on to write this essay for us. But the problem here is that if we copy this text, this cross-pollination essay test written for us by ChatGPT, and go to content detector tool, AI content detector tool. So we are going to use Zero GPT. If I come here now and enter the content that ChatGPT generated for us and ask it to detect whether it is AI. Let's see what ChatGPT will do for us. You can see that this is 99.3% AI generated. You can see it here. So how do we do it? What do we do in order to make it free from AI content detector tool? So we'll say that we are going to show you 4 free tools that will help you to do this. So number 1 is Clarity Bubbles. If you come to Clarity Bubbles and enter your test, it will ask you to paste your test here. Let me accept this. So we are going to paste the original test ChatGPT generated for us. Then we'll now click on Humanize Test. Okay, it will ask us to sign up. So if I paste my test here after signing up or signing in, if you already have an account, then you click on Humanize Test and wait for it to do its job. So it will look at the pattern, identify and detect it before trying to rewrite it for you. From here, it says that it has humanized it using 281 credits. Okay, so let us look at the humanized test. Look at it here. So this is the original one and this one is humanized test. So what we are going to do now is to copy the original test and check it again with Zero GPT. So I'll have to copy it from here, come back to Zero GPT and Control A to select this, delete it, then Control V to paste the new one that I've just copied. Then detect to see what is going on. Do you see that? We now have Zero AI GPT. How cool is that? You can go on and test it with other AI content detector tools. Okay? Number 2 is filter nodes. We are going to use filter nodes to do the same thing and see what result is going to give to us. So let's go back to the system. If I come back to ChatGPT to copy the original test, go to filter nodes and log in the test. So I'll use Control V to paste it. So here I'll have to click on Humanize Test, but it's going to ask me to sign up. So I will pause the video and sign up. After signing up, I will have to paste the test again. Then from here, I'll say Humanize Test. Once I do that, I'll wait for filter nodes to do its job. Here we have it, Humanize by filter nodes. So we are going to copy it and see what will happen when we test. So I'll click on this copy button, go back to Zero GPT, delete this one and paste this new one. So this is the new one. So we'll say detect. Let's see the value. Okay, you can see this one is 49.7 AI GPT. So this is from filter nodes. I hope you are taking notes of that. The number 3 tool we are going to use is Rhine AI. I will now go to Rhine AI, then click on this try Rhine free. Okay, it will also ask me to sign up. Immediately you sign up, you are going to click on Humanize. That's Humanizer tab. From here, I will go back to ChatGPT to copy the original text, not the one humanized for us by the previous AI tool. So it will now ask me, what do I want to do? Keep it natural, pass straight detectors. So let me say keep it natural. Okay. Now paste the text that I've copied, and the next thing is to click on humanize test, because right now it is 99%. So I'll say humanize. Okay, seems my test is too much, so I am going to reduce it. Let me delete these two paragraphs and then click on humanize again. As you can see, each of them has their strengths and their weakness. Right now, this is the output Ryan AI generated for us, and it is now 13% AI, no more 99% as noticed here. So assuming we don't want to trust this tool, let us test it externally. So I will copy everything, then go to Zero GPT and paste it. So you remember this one is fewer because of the restriction. So let's see. According to Zero GPT, it is 54.6%. This shows that Clarity Bubble 2 is still winning so far. Now, let us go to the final one, the one I promised you that doesn't need your sign up. So the first one is Free AI Den. When you come to the Content Humanizer, let me copy the original text. So I will copy it, come to Free AI Den and paste. After pasting, I will click on Humanize Text. Once I do that, I'll wait for it to humanize this text for us. So let us be patient. Boom, this is the output. Okay, so what I will now do is to copy the output. Once I copy the output, I will go back to Zero GPT and lock it in. Let's see what it is going to give to us. I'll click detect. You can see it is 0% AI. But there is one thing I noticed with this free AI then. If you watch closely, you will notice that some of the tests are not well spelled. It gave spaces to some of the tests. Probably this is what is making it to be this correct. But you can take your time and correct some of these spelling errors to see if it will fix the problem. Otherwise, you can as well copy it like this and tell any AI to remove the unnecessary spaces in order to make the grammar correct. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you have any other tool that can do this best? Again, if you would like to learn how to use Claude AI to write content that will pass any AI content detector, I have done a full video that will help you. You can find the link in the description box below. It is also popping up here. Please remember to share your thoughts, share the video with your loved ones. Also click the like button in order to support me. I will see you on the next one. Keep learning.